मा नुदों नोंखो एसां बोरिया नुदों नालाय मा देखायगोन नोंसोर दायो
जों दाहाय पेरेड खालामनो नागिरदों विल रिप्रेजेन्ट आवर इंलिश डिपार्टमेन्ट
ओके एट व्हाट टाइम
I don't know the exact time but I guess it will start after half an hour
by today
yeah
okay good all the best guys नों बुङो
দীঘল যাব নালাগে এতিয়া তাত আৰু কণী দিব লাগিব না
okay
এটো লৈ যাবি কি কৰি আছা লাকি ন এই কোনা মিলাইছা ৰিসাত মিলোৱা থাম ঠিক আছে একেবারে মিলা নাই অলপ গিয়া একেবারে কিছু করে মিটিও এই লাস্ট টাইম যে কইলি স্পিকার
We have P.R.E. Musari from the Department of Geography as a commander of today's March Past, and Marilyn Musari from the Department of Geology as a flag holder representing Bodo University. From the departmental post, we have Rothai Bosmatari as a commander and a flag bearer as a Jubilee Bosmatari representing from the Maths department. Secondly, we have Onjalu Najari as a commander and a flag bearer Denko Bosmatari representing from the Department of Bodo. And a flag holder, Sanju Bosmatari, representing from the Department of
English 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 English
At fifth, we have Diva Das as a commander and a flag bearer, Kemi Kaglade, representing the Department of Essence.
थाबायदोसो माथो
On 10th, we have
ओइ नै नालाय बिनिया कट गाननायफोरनिया
as a commander and flag bearer Rukuna Sangari
बरिया
representing Department of Geography. On 11 we have Pailau Nazari as a commander and Lucky Shoderi as a flag bearer representing the Department of MBA. In 12 we have Kawan Bromo as a commander and Wansami Wali as a flag bearer representing the Department of Political Science.
बरिया बरिया
On 13 we have Kimi Rini Bosnati as a commander and Juhi Bromo as a flag bearer representing the Department of Tourism. On 14 we have Tinku Bosnati as a commander and
वाव ना
Sabdan, Mero.